Welcome to this new session, new video where we are going to discuss the questions and answers related to piping engineering. What we are going to do, we'll have one question on screen along with few options. Then we'll take a pause of 5 seconds to understand the question correctly. Then we'll look into each and every option given against the questions and we'll come up to the right answer. So we are going to discuss each question in detail. So this is going to be very interesting session. So let's start with the questions. How many standard pipe schedules or pipe sizes are given by ANSI ASME 36.10? Okay. Question, option A 5, B 10, C 11, D 14. Okay, the correct answer is C. There are 11 schedule numbers commonly used. For example, schedule 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160. So total 11 schedule numbers are there which are used in 36.10 or we can say 36.19 also. What do you mean by pipe with schedule 40? Which of the following statements are correct? Schedule 40 refers to the wall thickness of the pipe. There is direct correlation between the size of pipe and the wall thickness. Code specifies uses of pipes according to their schedule. Or all of the above. Think about it. The correct answer is D. All of the three statements are correct. Wall thickness, it is representing the wall thickness. Yes, schedule 40 refers to wall thickness of the pipe. True. This statement A is true. There is direct correlation between the size of the pipe and wall thickness. Yes, this is also true. The wall thickness is representing the size also. Code specify uses of pipes according to their schedule. Yes, as per 36.10, we can always check out the schedule number against each thickness. So the correct answer is D. All three statements are correct related to pipe schedule 40. Which of the following statements true about schedule 40 and 80? The major difference between schedule 40 and schedule 80 is the wall thickness, inside diameter and their weight. Second statement is schedule 80 will have greater wall thickness, smaller inside diameter and higher weight than schedule 40 pipe at a given nominal pipe size. So think about the right answer. The answer is A and B. Both statements are correct. There is a difference between schedule 40 and 80. 80 will be more thicker, inside diameter will be higher and their weight will be higher. As more thickness, more weight will be there for schedule 80. Again, schedule 80 has a greater wall thickness and smaller inside diameter. More thickness, lesser dia, higher weight. So that is correct also. So A and B both are correct. Just wanted to bring into your notice that you can increase the speed from 1x to 2x. Go to the settings and change. Sometimes we know few of the things so that we can quickly go through the content by increasing the speed. Again, also we have few courses developed on piping engineering, 8 important elements where all the pipe flange, steam trap, monitors, everything is covered, all the elements. Then piping layout, compressor, pipe track, pumps, exchanger, columns, everything is covered. Then codes and standard, all the codes and standard mostly commonly used in piping industry are covered. Plot plan development. So all these courses are available. Links are given in the description box. There will be lifetime access certificate will also be provided, so we can learn, refresh and record the content. So let's continue with the session. Which of the following statement is true regarding pipe schedule chart? A pipe schedule chart is used to verify the dimension of carbon steel and stainless steel pipe used in process industries. These charts cover sizes and schedules that give you thickness of the pipe. So which of the following, out of these two statements are correct? So the correct answer is A and B. Both statements are correct. Okay, these charts are giving us the sizes, schedules. Okay, based on that we can get the thickness of the pipe. And these two are used in carbon steel and stainless steel used in process industry. So both of the statements are correct related to pipe schedule chart. Standard and schedule 40 has the same thickness up to NPS 10 or DN 250. So for 10 inch it is showing the same thickness for standard and schedule 40. Is it true statement or false? The answer is A. It is true. Up to 10 inch standard and schedule 40 are representing the same thickness. So this is something which we need to remember. It is very important. Sometimes we need to refer standards. We can always refer to standards. We will get the same thicknesses. Standard and schedule 40 has same thickness up to 10 inch. Above that there will be difference in thicknesses. Tubing is measured and specified by outside diameter, inside diameter, specified in inches or fraction of an inch. Which statement is true? Correct answer is A and C. Tubes are represented by outside diameter. Okay. Inside diameter, no. Statement B is not correct. We always represent tubing by its OD only. But we can specify it in inches or fraction of inches. So A and C are correct statements. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned. This was all about this session. There are so many other videos available in playlists and on this channel. You can always look into this. You can always mention a topic in your comment section so that we can make videos on those topics also. I'm sure these are all very informative and adding value to your knowledge. So keep watching. Stay tuned.